Here with the roof, guys, and this is your roof. You can see the streaking here. It's a blue-green algae, comes off the oak trees. That's what we really like about GAF and Atlas, is guarantees for life not to do that. Your ridge venting here, hottest of the air just naturally rises out of that. We're going to be replacing it all, and anywhere we can make it a little bit longer, we absolutely will. Your valleys are going to get 36 inches of ice and water barrier. Even though we don't have to worry about ice down here, we get so much rain, it's almost like ice. And a lot of it comes crashing to this wall here. If you're gonna get a leak in a gable style home, which is what you have, it's usually at these corner points here, just because they get beat up so much by water. This here is called a drip edge, what flicks the water away from your house. It comes up about 2 inches, and if you don't replace it, you try to reuse it, you bend it up, pull the underlayment from underneath it, try to stuff some new stuff under there, and then pry it back down. A lot of times that doesn't seal all the way around the house, and you end up with rotted wood within the first 10 years. So we always replace it where you can see it, and even behind the gutters. Some roofers will say, we'll replace it there, but we won't replace it there. But this is a really good time to get your gutters repitched. So we always replace it, because a lot of times the gutters will start to lean back there. So that is drip edge. Some more ridge venting. You can see where this is coming up a little bit there. Probably just caught some wind. It should be flush there. Plumbing boots. This is where your sink, your tub, your toilet all breathe from. A lot of times I'll find frogs living in there just eating all the bugs. When we upgrade these to the bullet boots, they'll have a guard on top of them also. And we'll replace all this flashing here. Your circular skylights, we're going to be resealing all of those. Every roofer will have to remove them and reseal the bottom of them. So that's what we'll do for you. Goosenecks, this is where your bath fan breathes out of, and your dryer vent vents out of these also. We'll be replacing them all, and they come in gray, brown, or black. Same with the plumbing boots. Those come in those colors also. Got one strip of line here. I've seen some other squirrel damage up here, so quite possibly that could be some squirrel damage. Some more of that black streaking you see there. These right here, a lot of people think they're attic fans. They're actually 135 mushroom vents. We replaced them all. I don't know what's going on with this one. It almost seems like it was crushed at one point. So it's probably not getting the circulation that it should. It should be even like this one. We replaced those again in brown, black, or gray. Larger tubes there, we'll reseal those for you. Another plumbing boot, another gooseneck. Now this one in your model is for the dryer vent. So oddly enough, all the lint goes up your wall through a tube and then blows out here, but a lot of times gets stuck. Makes your dryer work a lot harder, often causes premature dryer failure, and they recommend you clean it out every 1.5 years, 2 years. We'll be replacing that for you, and happy to clean out the vent for you also. Just let me know. That's a service we charge $89 for. But all in all, that is your roof.